everybody saying that. I think it was someone from the Caribbean islands. They were like, I'm thick like this because I eat my cabbage and potatoes. Am I gonna get thick? Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're taking care of yourself. Please click the subscribe button down below to join What's Tea Tribe, period. I decided to lay out everything that I'm gonna need for tomorrow morning because I want to do a very early start, like 4 a.m. Put out my makeup bags and everything, my workout gear, and I'm gonna straighten my hair as well tomorrow morning because I'm gonna get my professional photo taken because their girly pop started a new big girl job, period. So yeah, I need to look fresh, which means I need to sleep like now because I don't want to look puffy. Let's go sleep and then we're gonna do our morning routine tomorrow. Rise and shine, my princesses and 9 binaries. I recently started journaling. I got this book from my dad. You can read the title. It's been really amazing. So essentially, he just gives you a prompt and then he gives you his takeaway and then you get to reflect right after. It's been so amazing. The other one is the 14-day mind cleanse by Jackie Lewis. I'm on day 2. I'm thinking of journaling first. I want to journal and I want to straighten my hair, work out, go take my shower, come back to my makeup, get baby ready, and then we go. My voice is even still groggy, child. This is so good. Oh my god, there's literally so many gems. I wish I could just show y'all the entire book. I don't know what I think I'm doing, but I didn't bring a comb. And I don't want to keep going back into the room because I'm going to wake up the baby. This photo, I want to put this on my grad invitations as well because it's a professional photo and everything. So, and it's going to be everywhere. Everybody's going to see this. This is going to be representing me. I can possibly run my fingers through it and hope for the best. I value a slow morning very, very much. Like, it's one thing that I've realized about myself that I love and I absolutely adore. I don't know if this was a wise idea to not grab a comb. I'm in my jet black natural hair color era. Sometimes I can just decide to go blonde with the very least highlights. But right now, I think I like this jet black hair. I watched Tyler Perry Straw with my parents this weekend. And on social media, there's a frenzy. Like, half of the people are saying, hey, this is a great movie. And then the other half is saying, hey, Tyler Perry, you need to stop profiting off of black women. How come we never see anyone else's struggle except a black woman? And it's always a light-skinned dude who's coming to save her. But this time, there was no dude. It was just highlighting mental health awareness, which I absolutely loved. I absolutely love that. I don't know why people are so upset, but everybody's got their own opinions and we have to respect that. We just have to lead with empathy. Always.
Right. My AI just changed. It just bought.
I love men fit.
Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to.
That's it for my abs workout for today. It's a wonderful Tuesday morning. I'm gonna go shower and do my makeup and get my daughter ready for daycare. Whew, tired.
Controller, controller, yeah, like controller, controller, yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster, like controller, controller, yeah, like controller.
I still need to practice, I guess. But it's not too bad. This is why I don't like doing makeup. It takes too much time, leaves a mess all over the place, and yeah, no. I feel like I needed to blend a bit more under the eyes, but you know what? Let's blend. Yay! Hey, there's the bus! So much traffic today, my goodness. What is going on? I'm gonna take a walk. I missed the shuttle. It's now doing 20-minute slots as opposed to the usual 10. Because it's summer, many students have traveled, have gone back home or whatever. So, I'm gonna take a walk. That's what I've been doing anyway. I get on the shuttle, I get to work like 20 or 30 minutes before the time I'm intended to start. And I've just been putting the steps in because I'm trying to do at least 10K. At the very least, 6,000 steps a day, plus my workout routine. And I'm proud of myself. Yeah, so let's take a walk. I look good, baby. I look good, I smell good. It's gonna be an amazing day. My photo is gonna come out so beautiful. And let's get it.
And I'm never on a wasting charity. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find joy.
We're at Chess and Jimmy. It's so warm, but we found a nice spot under the shade, so exciting. They're gonna start performing at 7 p.m. Back home now. Today was actually quite a long day. And I'm so tired and overstimulated. But I need to take a shower now so that I can relax. Take a shower and wash my face and remove all this makeup off of my face. And to think that there was a time when I was married that I would cry when I didn't get my period, and now I'm like, oh, we litty, come on, 6th period of the year, let's go. Thank God for health, thank God for wealth, thank God for life, for real, 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 for real. Anyway, welcome to the first night of the first day of my cycle period. Tonight we're just gonna be doing easy peasy lemon squeezy stuff, thinking of making a nice little dinner period. And I suppose this will also be my lunch for tomorrow, because one thing about it, this girl likes to meal prep these days. I don't know what the science is behind eating bananas during a period, but every time I eat them, I actually end up feeling better. So let's ask ChatGPT, my bestie, period. They are rich in vitamin B6, high in potassium, I knew that one, which relieves muscle cramps. Also helps reduce water retention and bloating. Oof, child. Natural sugar and fiber. Magnesium support, I didn't know that one. It helps relax muscles and improve sleep. And it's easy on the stomach. Learn something new every day. Currently boiling my egg for my cabbage soup. I've already prepped the carrots, the tomato, and the cabbage. Now I'm left with the onion, and then we're gonna get to cooking, and then we're gonna eat. You? What did you know? I was so chef. You know, good night, I say. Good night, everybody. Yes, baby. Guys, I haven't cleaned my apartment. Guys, this house needs to be cleaned, shit. Dino kudai zai she furai ne pano. Dino kudai zai she furai ne pano. Oh, ishe furai ne pano. Someone's crying, Lord, kumbaya. Someone's crying, Lord, kumbaya. Magana kachesu. You must trick the mind. Stick your head in the freezer if you need to. My dad got us this loaf. I was thinking of making garlic bread. It turns out I don't have garlic. Okay. Plus, also that would be too many carbs because I'm thinking of doing fries, cabbage, the fiber in the my sister. Do you think there's a future here? No, my sister, there's no future. Even you can see that. I'll just randomly think about memes throughout the day. Like, that's just how my mind is wired. Just burnt myself. I don't know if you can see, there's a line there. I touched the hot plate without realizing that it's now hot. Oh, yeah, shisa. Yeah, we have banza. Yeah. I think these are done. There's even a crack. I cut myself many months ago here, right? And now every time I cut something, meal prep, whatever, it just ends up opening up again. Like, it's just everlasting. I went somewhere where I needed a fingerprint. It wouldn't even read anymore. That's how much it just keeps opening up. Yeah. I should have left the skins on for fiber. That's okay. Let's do it like this. This salesperson came trying to pitch something, and I ended up burning my tomato, onions, and carrots. I don't think I'll be buying whatever they're selling. No, simply because of that. Because I'm telling you, I don't want it. I have something already, and you keep pushing. Like, I get it, you wanna be aggressive and all, but leave the fucking room. Now I'm mad. But you know what? I'll not let this little thing trip me off. My soup. These big canisters actually are value for money because you just have to keep refilling the tiny ones. Whereas if you buy a tiny one, even if it was just for $1, this one just makes no sense, in my opinion. Okay, I may have overreacted a little bit. I was very emotional earlier. Sorry. Once I added my broth, aka water, because I don't have actual broth, it's not looking too bad. Also with the herbs like thyme, Italian, it just is giving aesthetically. So yeah, I'm gonna add some pinto beans. Well, no, not pinto beans. I was looking at those before I spoke about this. I'm gonna add some black beans in here in my cabbage soup a little bit later on when it's simmering, at least, because now I'm just bringing it to a boil so the cabbage and the carrots cook. But when it's now simmering, I'm gonna add the beans so that we can have more protein in our soup. This is so well balanced, child. I'm so proud of myself.
I literally don't know my year calendar. I plan out the year, but recently I've been cutting out my months into 3. Anyways, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make my breakfast. I'm gonna fix my hair. I want it to be a little more defined. I didn't get to do it as a child. Like, of course, anybody can dance, but I was never on a dance.
I think these are done. Still very much simmering. I'm thinking of just grabbing a bowl because I'm quite hungry and it's already 7 p.m.
And it's not even like about being sexy or looking like that. It's literally just out loud. Even at the end, we all seen us closing out. We wouldn't do it.
Probably put some soy sauce in there just to give it that umami.
Even though it's only day 2, I still was doing good.
Yo, don't joke. Gave us bangers, but then she just left.
You know it's just a little too late. I hate to say. You know it's just a little too late. You do like me, you like me. We just like a chase. It doesn't matter anyway. You know it's just a little too late.
Lunch for tomorrow, plus some fries. Hey! I remember somebody saying that, I think it was someone from the Caribbean islands. They were like, I'm thick like this because I eat my cabbage and potatoes. Am I gonna get thick? I highly recommend working out because my period has been much lighter. On the first day, it's always hell, like extremely heavy, and I just wanna cry and scream. But right now, I feel good. There's very little cramping.
only when I'm stepping on the cold tiles, but other than that, I'm Gucci, period. Guys, start working out, even if it means just walking 10,000 steps a day or light cardio. Just be active. It helps a lot. Let's go put our baby to sleep now, and then we're gonna finish off our night routine. Period. Okay, I'm actually starting to cramp now. I want to put some sauce now because I know I'm gonna forget. So let's put a little bit on the side here. I'm definitely gonna forget if I do it. That's a lot, but it's only like what, 80 calories for 2 tablespoons. That is not even 2 tablespoons. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it half as much as I enjoyed putting it together for y'all.